In the heart of every vessel, the engine room, leadership plays a vital role in ensuring smooth operations and the safety of the crew. Okay, Cadet, how's everything going? We're dealing with a minor issue, sir. The officer listens attentively while the cadet explains the problem. Thanks for letting me know. Keep me posted on any developments. Stay safety first, right? John gathered the engine room team for a quick meeting. Alright, team. We have a busy day ahead. Let's review the task, and if anyone needs assistance, don't hesitate to ask. We're a team, and together we'll get through this. The crew member nod and get back to work, showing a sense of unity. The officer rolls up his sleeve and helps the crew with the problem. A great leader doesn't just delegate, they lead by example. Then a sudden alarm sounds, indicating critical situations. Sir, we have an emergency. The officer remains composed and guides the team in their emergency response. After resolving the emergency, the officer gathers the team again. You all did an outstanding job today. Your quick thinking and teamwork saved the day. Let's ensure our equipment is in top shape to prevent such situations in the future. Effective leadership in the engine room is not just about managing machines. It's about leading people. The engine officer demonstrates the qualities of a great leader. Clear communication, teamwork, leading by example, staying calm under pressure, and recognizing the efforts of the team.